Hello, and welcome back to another video. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, welcome to the family, girl. Today, we are getting into an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing my birthday gift that I got for myself this year, a Polene Numero Dix. I don't know how you say it. I'm assuming it's Dix for French, right? I don't know, I don't speak French, but number 10, let's go ahead and get into it. This will be my first time seeing this bag. I have been saving it so I could film it for you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. Polene is a Parisian leather goods brand founded in 2016. The brand has 16 different bags. They carry small leather goods as well as belts, and their items range between $50 and $470. I am absolutely loving this super clean, crisp packaging. I love that the tissue paper has their monogram on it. I just think it looks so great. So I'm definitely keeping this box for storage. Once you open it up, you'll find that it comes with a nice dust bag. It's always great when they give you a dust bag. That way you can keep your product looking clean and safe from any debris and damage while you're storing it. The bag did come wrapped in bubble wrap, which I guess is a pro to keep it from getting damaged, but to me, I kind of feel like it was unnecessary. I feel like it would have been fine if they just would have put the bag inside of the dust bag, but that's just me and my little environmentalist inside of me trying to save on my plastic consumption. But the bag that I picked up again is the number 10. So I have the number 10 bag in the monochrome black textured leather. This bag does have a half moon shape to it, which I thought was really cute and which really drew me in to purchasing this bag. Their bags are handmade in Spain of full grain textured calf leather, and they also have a suede inner lining. They come with 2 different adjustable straps, which makes it a great purchase and allows me to wear it in multiple ways with multiple outfits. I also have a zip closure and an interior front pocket. With this bag, I'll definitely be keeping the stuffing inside when I'm not using it. That way it can keep its perfect half moon shape. As far as the dimensions go, this bag is a 24.5 by 20.5 by 7.5 centimeters, and it weighs 350 grams. I just really love this bag. I feel like it'll be my new everyday bag, and I'm just super excited to wear it. So I came across this brand from Instagram. I think it just came up in my algorithm or my explore page, and I've just been following them for probably a year and a half, just looking at their different bags. I was like, I don't need to purchase anything. And then I fell in love with this bag. So I went ahead and finally purchased it. It is, I believe, $370. I think it's $370. I will put the details somewhere in this video, but I really love, first of all, I don't own a black bag, at all. I do not have a black purse, and so I was really happy when I found this one. I was thinking about it for a year. Every day I was like, I really, really like this bag. I love that it's a good size. I love that you can wear it in different ways. So you can wear it like the crossbody. You can wear it as a shoulder bag on your side. You can do the crossbody on your side, and then you can also switch out the straps and then make it a short shoulder bag where. But yeah, I am so happy with that. I love the size. I love that it's not a huge bag, because for me, I use bags. The bigger the bag, the more I'm going to throw in it, and that's my excuse to kind of just carry my house with me. So I love that this bag is really small. It's not super small, obviously, but I love that it's a nice, good size. I can fit my everyday essentials in it. I love how soft it is. I love the gold hardware. that's on it. I got black because obviously I needed a black bag, but they have so many different colors. They actually have two black bags. So they have this one where it's like monochromatic and it's all black stitching. And then they have another black bag where instead of the black stitching, it's the white stitching. But for me, I just like the black stitching a little bit more. So I went ahead and got that one. But yeah, I am super excited to finally have this bag. And now that I've unboxed it for you guys, I can start wearing it because I lied to you not. I was like, I'm not gonna open it or carry it until I can film an unboxing for them. So this is the bag that I purchased. I will let you guys know. I'll keep you updated about how I like it. Let me know if you guys wanna see like any like videos on like what I can fit in this bag or what's in my bag. Updated one with this bag or like styling this bag. Let me know what you guys wanna see. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.